ngayong araw nga pala guys, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung kung paano mag sit up ng helmet guys, for motovlogging. Kung ikaw ay aspiring motovlogger na gusto ring mag motovlog kagaya ko, so ayun, gusto kong i-share yung helmet sit up natin guys. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo kung ano yung mga kailangan natin para makapag set up tayo ng helmet para motovlog or motovlogging. So ito na yung mga kailangan natin guys na item. Ayun, may helmet strap mount na tayo. At camera, yung ating GoPro. Importante ito guys. Syempre kailangan natin helmet guys. Ayun. Ito yung helmet QYT. At yung ating mic. Ito. Ni-install ko na yung mic natin guys kasi pinagpawisan ako kanina eh. So ngayon, bali install na natin to. Nakabit na natin yung strap mount natin, helmet strap mount. Susunod natin yung camera natin, GoPro. Ito guys yung isang helmet setup ko. Ito sa luma ko na helmet. Ito siya. Yun, tatanggalin lang natin to guys. At ililipat natin sa kabila. Bali, dalawa na yung helmet, pang helmet motovlog natin. So still pa rin, practice pa rin tayo ng practice. Gamit ko nga pala dito na mic, yung sa cellphone ko na mic, yung headset nya. Kailangan natin tong mic adapter para sa GoPro natin. Lilipat lang natin, tapos titesting natin mamaya guys. Itong helmet na to yung gagamitin natin guys, pang motovlog. Ito yung gagamitin natin. Ito yung GoPro natin guys. Ito yung gamit natin GoPro.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
So what's up guys? So ito na yan yung sinet up natin na helmet natin guys. Yan at titesting na natin. Siyempre naman na mic yung ginamit ko dito, yung mumurahin lamang guys. Mukhang matibay naman tong chain strap natin guys. Yung chain strap mount. Yan, satisfied ako dito guys. Okay, daan muna ako dito at papadala muna tayo dito guys.